Christmas!
Merry
Merry Christmas! Sa pinag-usapan namin para sa mga busy moms like us, kami ni Inay MJ, although ito exceptional kasi gumagawa pa pala ng potato salad at saka yung beef with mushroom. Ako talaga wala. Magaling lang ako ng hello, pwede mag-order.
I love, hindi, pero ang
Kinakaroon
galing mo
ko
nga,
naman yun.
last month ka pa, Mamu, nagtitake
Nag-ready
down.
na ako.
Correct. May pang New Year ka na nga.
Pero wala pa kaming kanin. Sa ito na.
Oo.
Galing.
Gusto ko yung pinipitas namin yung menu, no, sa mga guests namin na ngayon, dahil wais na misis si Mamutin,
Support
sa
our
kanya ko
guests.
nakuha. Support our guests too. Small businesses. O,
Yes.
diba? So, what kind of Christmas platters are we seeing right now?
We have the bolognese pasta.
Ay, wow.
We have the japchae,
Classic.
Korean.
Oo.
Anyang!
Ano yung mabenta sa mga bata, ha? Mabenta sa mga bata,
Yeah.
yung, japchae.
True.
And then,
AKA si Oscar. yung asawa ko pala.
Panganay.
and then we have the osobuco.
Oh.
And then the Iberian chicken.
Ooh.
And then salpicao.
Wow.
And then I made 2 types of paellas. So that's the black ink. And then the other one is Spanish paella.
Grabe.
And then we have the pork belly. And then for dessert, we have the Burt Basque cheesecake
Wow.
and the banana crunch
Amazing, no?
loaf
Wow.
with pulveron. I put it in a bottle.
Wow.
So you eat it like, when you were kids.
Yeah, dinudurog-durog mo pa, di ba? Tapos kukutsarahin mo.
Correct,
Exactly.
correct.
Teka mo na, Chef Lolit, anong oras ka nagising ngayong araw para lutuin na to?
Kaya nga
Kayo ni Che.
Around 3:30
Grabe.
a.m.
Thank you.
Uy,
Because of
naiyak
that,
kami.
walang maiiwan dito. Uubusin namin at dahil
Thank you.
pinag-iyak ako.
Naiyak ako. Oo.
So now
Salamat,
you know.
ah.
So now you know why it's easy to, hello, 12F, may I order?
Correct. Kasi mamamalengke pa yung iba, di ba? Naranasan ko. Pero alam ko kung ba't ko sila kasundo. Kasi kung nakita mo yung toppings ng paella, siksik.
Oh, sige, pakita
Kaya,
mo.
ganyan tayo kumain. Hindi tinitipid. Hindi tayo tinitipid. Ganyan po kumain. Hindi tinitipid. Puno, siksik, liglig.
At sa halaga.
At sa halagang, magkano to?
2,800.
Oo. Ang dami
Ano
po
naman, ang laki
niyang,
ng hipon.
ang dami niyang chorizo, ang dami niyang manok, baboy, at talagang ang
Malaking
lalaki
hipon.
ng hipon. Ang lalaki po, natatakot ako baka malaglag, pero ayan siya, sana makita niyo. Ayan, grabe!
Kasi kwento ko lang, you know what ano ba nangyari sa akin?
frustrates.
What frustrates me?
Oo.
Twice na kumain ako sa magkaibang Spanish restaurants.
Na mahal,
So order
ah?
ng paella. Meron silang good for two, ganyan.
Correct.
Pagtingin ko, ba't ganyan lang yung topping? Parang
Oo.
kinawawa ka sa topping.
Oo, parang tinipid ka. Ayoko yung feeling na gano'n. Hatest ko yun as a
Yung
foodie.
parang you wouldn't mind paying more, pero alam mo naman, busog ka,
Correct.
physically tsaka yung feeling mo na hindi ka na shortchange. Anyway, mahal yun na in-order namin, 1.8. Good for
Mahal.
2, tas
Alam ko
tingin-tingin
yun.
lang yung
Tapos
nasa
manipis
ibabaw.
yung
Ito.
kanin.
Oo, kaya
lahat
tinan mo to,
totoo.
2.8. Pwede naman.
Oo, ang daming
Sulit.
papakain. Good for ilan po yan, chef?
Oo.
Good for 4 to 6
Oh,
or
see?
8 people.
Hindi nga, hindi lang. Mas marami pa to. Pero gets ko sinasabi mo kasi ayaw mong mabitin.
Yes.
So, sabihin mo lang 4 to 6. Pero sa totoo lang, pwede pa yan hanggang 10.
Stretch.
Ay,
Lalo na
oo,
kung may ibang
pwede.
kasamang ulam.
Oo, lalo pagkasama ng ulam.
Ito naman, squid ink, pareho rin. 2, ay hindi, magkano?
2,008.
Shrimp and squid.
2,900.
2,990.
Oh,
2,990.
kasi may pusit pa.
Yes.
Oh, yan ang
Saka
shrimp,
bell pepper. Mahal ang bell pepper.
shrimp and squid black paella.
Grabe. How did you both start this?
Yeah.
It's interesting. Actually, the name 12F is because the concept started at the 12th floor of their condominium building during the pandemic.
As in 2020, peak of the pandemic.
Yes,
Yeah.
around June. And then, since my nieces, they were just in their iPods, tablets, my sister decided to say, hey, why don't you come here and bake with them? So it starts with cinnamon rolls, and then I brought to the office, and then they said, it's good, so they're willing to buy. And then I said, no, it's fine. No, we have to pay. Then suddenly, somebody asked, do you do savory? So yes, I also do. So I started with Iberian chicken.
Oh,
It's a
yun pala
must.
yun.
Hello, Happy New Year to you.
O kaso wala pa tayong spoon and fork para na't mamumukbang.
Ayan na.
Ready na pala.
Alam mo naman ko, nanay.
Thank you.
I take this everywhere with me. Marami na narating na bansa to.
Talaga?
Oo, nagsimula itong pandemic kasi ayokong, di ba?
Oy, correct.
So I bring my
Kumain
own.
siya, oo.
So dapat nasa museum na to. no?
Oo, exactly. Wait, baka ba mo ano?
Oo, ayan. Malinis yan. Okay.
Oo.
Sige, continue ka lang. So, may savory kayo, kaya una-una mong in-offer ay yung Iberian chicken.
Iberian, yes.
Na what makes it so special?
Chef, pwede ba iharap sa camera?
Sure. What makes the Iberian chicken special? You said that it's cooked like how many? 12 hours ba? Ilang oras ba?
I marinated for 2 days.
Wow! 48 hours of marination. Marinate saan? Sa olive oil?
Olive oil.
Ay, grabe.
Healthy olive oil.
So talaga na-absorb ng chicken yung mga lasa and spices.
Sige, Miss.
Oh,
Yes.
good for how many to?
This is also good for 46 people again.
46.
46.
46.
I love it. Mamu, magpaano ka
4
para masarap?
to 6 people and it's
Yan,
priced
okay.
at
1,990.
Wow. Oo. Olive oil
pagod mo
yan.
pa lang. In
Oo.
factor in mo ba yung pagod mo dito sa...
No, because it's passion.
Oh, yun
Ever
na.
since I was a
Kaya,
kid.
kaya.
Just watching
Kaya.
all of this,
Ma'am, gusto mo dito na rin?
This TV
Oo,
shows.
sige. Oo. So ano pa? Sige.
Oo.
So sa ikaw si chicken, ako naman try natin yung ossobuco.
Ossobuco.
Oh, tell us about your ossobuco, Chef Lolita.
Uy, subuko. It's beef
Oh,
shank.
ay, Mike, you can carry the mic. Yan.
It's
So,
beef shank
it's-
with mashed potato.
Meron ba yung parang sa marrow niya? Meron siya?
Yes.
Pwede ba makimaro?
Yung taba. Yes.
Oo,
it's right in
ayun.
the middle.
Half tayo, Mamu.
Ayan, so andyan pa yung marrow.
Oo.
Yes, inside.
Ang laki naman ng shank na yan. Good for how many people naman to?
Again, all the party platters is 4 to 6.
More
Pero
than
ang dami,
yan.
more than
Oo,
yan,
yata
more than yan.
And it's priced at, sa inyong flyer, 2,990.
Wow.
For sure.
Tsaka ito na guys ha, titikman ko na tong Iberian.
Ako naman titignan ko to.
Kasi
ossobuco.
sobrang lambot niya. As in,
Same with the ossobuco.
Oo, talaga, malambot din,
Oo.
Mamu. Wait, ito, tikman
Oh
ko
my
ah.
God. Okay, salamat po sa mga nakatutok sa amin ngayon. Sa mga nakikinig
Ang
sa radyo,
sarap!
ayan na, naririnig nyo na yung sound of eating Iberian chicken.
Guys, sobrang
ASMR.
lambot nung Iberian chicken. Alam ko madali magbalambot nung manok, pero yung lambot nito, yung tipong nagbe-blend well sa taste buds mo. Kasi feeling ko dahil ngayon sa olive oil at sa garlic na hindi tinipid.
Ano pa yung herbs na nandyan bukod sa na-mention nyo na olive oil, garlic, ano pang spices?
Oregano and thyme.
Wow, kaya amoy na amoy. Ito naman akin, ossobuco. May narinig ba kayo?
Malambot Mamu, kaya hindi ka namin maririnig. Pero talagang
Na-exage ko na nga.
nararamdaman
Lambot.
ng Ayun nga, malambot. Importante yun sa baka.
Correct.
Na-dito sa point kasi ako, pag umu-order ako ng mga beef platters, matigas yung baka.
ito
Number
malambot.
one no-no ko
Super
yun.
lambot.
Kasi yung sa bahay, grabe ako magnilaga. Grabe yung grabe ako
cooker girl ka?
grabe ako mag-marrow, bone broth. Grabe.
Sarap.
Thank you.
Parang
And
may
then,
nakalak
do you want to try the pasta?
Yes.
Bolognese.
Hindi makasagot.
Go mo lang yan, chef.
Push lang natin yan, chef.
Oo, push na natin. Kayo, ano favorite mo dyan, chef? Ayaw mo na kainin.
In a way, yes.
Pinakabe, kasi ganun lahat ng chef eh. So, chef, ikaw ang favorite mo, wala na.
Wala na. What are you most proud of sa lahat ng mga dishes?
Let's see. Well, I didn't
Or personal
know that I can
favorite?
make personal favorite. Actually, all. I like the pork belly because instead of people buying lechon, which is
Ay, magkano yan?
mahal,
Kung nga mahal na lechon, di ba?
the
10,000 yata.
pork is 1,980.
Oh, di ba? Yan pa naman gusto kong part, yung buto-buto.
Yes, yun ang
Every
masarap.
time may lechon,
Ay, oo,
tira nyo sa
diba?
akin yung
Ayan,
buto-buto.
Favorite natin.
Good for 4 to 6 people. And how much? Price point?
1,980.
Buo.
So still, gathering at home with your family and loved ones is still cheaper than eating in an actual restaurant, no?
Correct.
Na pag holiday season, ang dami pang tao, baka hindi ka pa maserve agad. Let the food come to you and your family.
Sige,
Diba?
tikman natin, ma'am.
Sige, tigim ka lang yan.
The dessert.
Call it the burnt cheesecake.
Yes, the burnt cheesecake. It started with during pandemic. A lot of people were baking burnt cheesecake. So I said, okay, might as well join the crowd. And then apparently, when I first baked it, it's good. So I decided.
First time pa lang,
First
good
time
na
pa
agad.
lang. I
Ang
was
galing
like,
mo
"Oy,
naman,
very
chef.
good." And then I started selling it.
Oo.
So,
Meron ka
ano
may
siya?
mini version niya. Laki.
Yes, there's a mini version because I don't believe in slice because I don't know when I will be selling it. So it's
Oo.
better to
You get
have a
the
mini one,
mini
4
version.
inch.
Correct. Yun,
Sarap.
kayang ubusin. The other one, yung slice na yun ay
That's the banana crunch loaf.
Ay,
I know
crunch,
everybody bakes banana
Banana,
bread,
oo.
but I just wanted to be different.
Yeah.
So I put crunch on top.
which are nuts?
I have almond, I have oats.
Ayan, that makes it different from the rest. And then itong naka-tub.
That's chocolate mousse. That's triple
Classic
chocolate.
yan sa mga bata. Oo.
Yes, correct.
Then, price points, again, etong chocolate mousse ay, nandun yung brochure. Let's refer to our brochure.
Bago mabawi ako sa'yo,
Oh, mamaya,
Makain
after
na
nito, ako kakain, ikaw naman ang Okay, okay.
It's 1,250.
Okay, good
Wow.
for?
That's good
Again.
for around 6.
Marami.
6
or
people?
more,
Feeling ko
yeah.
more than again.
Yes.
Yung burnt cheesecake
Is 2,250.
and the mini,
The mini is 400 pesos.
Oh, di-
Ay, sorry.
295.
295. Sorry.
95 lang. May tubo ka na agad siya. Joke lang. Tapos yung
Buy one, take one.
Banana crunch loaf
Banana
is 310.
300. Yung buong yan?
Opo.
Yung malaking yan?
Yes po.
Chef Lolit naman
Very
eh. Ikaw,
generous.
nagbe-bake ka talaga, hindi ka na iniisip na kumita, no? 310. Ang hirap kaya mag-bake, di ba? Anyway, pero I'm so happy na abot kaya yung ano mo,
Oo,
yung mga price,
yung
hindi
presyo.
harang. Abot kaya. And then the pulveron?
The pulveron is 395.
Wow. And good for?
Well,
Depende sa bata.
Because the person.
Depends sa
Oo, nakaka-addict siya.
You can finish in 2 days.
Oo,
One bottle, one
pwede.
person.
And the drinks? Ayan
And
na.
the drinks, that's Moscato Sangria.
Wow.
Yeah.
Ano yun? Anong
alcohol
may
content.
alcohol talaga?
Yes,
Yung
alcohol
sangria,
content. It pairs with the paellas.
Oh,
And the salpicao.
But you also have pesto malunggaya ba? Ay, tama ba? Drink
Yes.
ba yun? Okay,
Pesto
drink yun.
malunggaya.
Kasi may
No,
bottles
That's
to.
it's
Ay,
a
mali.
bottle.
Dressing,
It's a
yes.
bottle.
Kasi nakalagay, okay, nalito ako.
Bottles to go.
Okay, itong bottles to go niya may pesto malunggaya, may Caesar dressing, may red wine
wine
vinegar.
vinegar.
Pero yung sa juice, sangria lang.
Yes.
Yun.
Sobrang sarap. Grabe.
Diba? Gusto mo
Wala
tikman
na
yung sangria?
Pwede naman.
Sige,
Pa.
man, di ba? Celebration.
Oo, celebration. Dahil Pasko. Actually, nauna na po ako mag-Noche Buena. Pasensya na, yun lang yung nag-iambag ko sa segment na to. Taga-tikim at taga-approve.
Yes.
Pero tuwa ako.
Ito na, sa mga nanonood sa atin ngayon, dahil December 21 ngayon, pwede pa ba sila mag-order for their Noche Buena ng December 24? Kaya pa?
Yes,
Okay,
kaya pa
go.
po.
Invite.
Okay, sa mga mommies na ayaw na mag-isip, ayaw na magpagod sa paghahanda.
Ay,
para
tama ka
sa-
dyan. Para they can
Yes.
spend more quality time with their kids because
Oo.
less hassle na sa kitchen.
Oo.
Go.
So, we have everything in 12F Kitchen, different cuisines. We have something for everyone. Kasi as we know, hindi naman lahat mahilig sa Spanish. So, we have Filipino food, we have Korean, Spanish. So, you can consider 12F Kitchen for your holiday meals, for your get-togethers. So, you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and you could order. It's better po if pre-order para
Yeah,
at least ready talaga siya.
Pero
Sure
dahil
na-
yung iba mag-Noche Buena na 3 days from now, ngayon mo na gawin.
Yes.
After nito.
After nyo
Ngayon
manood
na.
sa amin, hindi kayo magsisisi.
Oo.
Order na agad. Just use the code
Inay ko po.
para alam na.
Para
na
i-entertain
napanood.
kayo. Entertain! Di ba kasi sabi, how's your team doing by the way?
Yeah, oo nga. Ilan ang team nyo
Doing
na?
really good.
Well, it's just me, and then I have 2 staff. So the 3 of us. Hopefully, we'll get another staff if the orders are really a lot.
Oo, grabe.
For sure yan. For sure
Oo,
yan.
magkakatalo yan sa sistema nila sa system ng business at sa pagtanggap nila ng order.
Correct.
Correct.
Ito nalimutan natin.
Yes,
Yung
one of
beef
our
salpicao.
Yes, that's one that you have to taste.
Sige, ilagay mo na dito, Che. Okay, what makes this different from other beef salpicao? Kasi ang dami din, no? Sa mga
Yes, a lot.
So, anong ano nito?
Very tender.
Oo.
It also is good actually the following day and the next day.
Oo, yung pang iniinit, di ba?
Yes,
Talagang
parang adobo.
Noche Buena friendly.
Ang dami. Isang serving, ha? I mean, pag nag-order, ganyan karami.
Yes.
These are the actual servings.
Wow!
So talagang hindi yung minsan expectation versus reality. Iba yung nasa picture, but these are the actual servings.
Maganda ano yun, no? Yung parang food trays that's not expectation versus reality,
Yes.
di ba? Hindi ka mapapahiya. But anyway, again, please invite everyone. How will they order sa 12F? Or walk in sa restaurant? Are you still open?
Oo nga.
Yes.
For December 24, yes.
Mm-hmm.
But we pre-order because only for pick
up,
up because
okay.
ang daming orders po.
So, paano po yung paano po mag-order sa 12F Kitchen?
So they could message us on Facebook or Instagram, or they could also contact us at 0917-527-1620.
0917-527-1620. 12F Kitchen!
Siyempre, ang payment terms niya, ano yung payment terms? Siyempre, pay before, baka magluto kayo.
Oo, mas ka.
Bogus, pala. Or,
Correct.
nabibiktima.
Oo.
Ingat din kayo, ha?
Yes.
So-
So, we accept cash and
Yeah.
GCash.
Yeah.
Credit card if sa restaurant.
And
Pwede.
siyempre, pay before delivery.
Yes.
Correct. Oo.
Unless nasa Grab ba kayo?
Soon. So,
Okay.
we're in
Oo.
the process of...
Naghahanap kasi ako minsan ng food tray sa Grab. Wala.
Kaya nag-grab,
Kulang.
diba? Parang nag-aabono yung driver. Tama ba?
Oo.
Pag
Kaya
ano?
maraming naloloko eh. Sa Grab, parang ngayon, binabaan na nila, 1,000 na lang maximum na aabonohan ng rider. Kasi dati, di ba, umabot ng 2,500. Tapos yung pala, Joy, ano lang. ang
Reserver.
tawag doon?
Yes.
Joy Reserver,
Joy-
Joy Orderer.
oo.
Pagdating ng rider doon sa wala na
Naku
pa rin
po.
nag-order. Kawawa yung rider.
Actually, the party platters aren't available on our Grab food
Ayun. Kasi malaki,
platform.
mas mataas
Yes,
sa
at saka
1,000.
pre-order. So, better na talagang prepared siya. So, it's our rice bowl. So, we have rice bowls as
may
well.
rice
Kasi, so, kunyari for lunch, wala
Yeah.
kayo baon. Diba?
Oo.
You could pre-order rice bowls. Or, madalas din sa amin is like corporate clients or may simpleng handaan, may ganyan. They
Yeah.
pre-order, naka-rice bowl na siya.
Ang galing.
So, may ulam na, may
Bongga.
kanin. So, hindi lang siya party platter. So, or pwede rin ganun sa handaan sa Christmas. Kung gusto nyo, nakaano na, kunyari magpipiknik kayo,
Oo.
ayaw nyo ng,
Ay, tama.
diba,
Nasa loob siya ng packaging.
yes, meron
Alam mo naman,
kaming,
packaging is also part of the experience.
Well, it's in a paper rice bowl.
Yeah.
Go-friendly environment.
Yes, hindi styro. I love you, Chef Lonia. Supporter natin 12F, hindi gumagamit na styro.
Correct. But magpapasalamat
Galing,
lang kami
galing.
again sa 12F. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you.
this feast, guys.